Hey guys, Matt with Eastcape. An EVOx going home to Marco Island. Sitting on a rambling trailer, spare tire, Bolton 2-speed winch, spare hub, Minn Kota Charova, trolling motor, pop-up cleat on the deck, Liborsky LEDs, D-Marine Classic push-pull holder, center console with 12-inch GPS, over the console grab bar, hook puller, the switch is inside, USB and 12-volt, oversized cushions with backrest, powers a Yamaha F70, tie downs on the rambling trailer, Bennett trim tabs, 3-in-1 transducer, 6-foot power pole. Somebody's gonna have fun with this boat. You guys have a great week. See ya.